Welcome to a world where numbers, dance, and calculations come alive. I'm Miranda Abbott, the creator of Dance Equations, a math dance supplemental program. I'm an arts inclusion specialist and a grade 2 teacher at a school in Costa Rica. One of the newest elements of my program is called Dancing Digits, a codified dance inspired by the Indian hand calculation technique, Chisanbop. In my technique, the body becomes a calculator. Dancing Digits engages students in a fun and interactive way. The method integrates movement with math, which helps with cognitive development. I specifically created the exercise to help my students understand place value while enhancing their mental math skills and number sense. It challenges them with coordination and allows for a whole body learning experience. In my recent work, which you see elements of in this video, students use Dancing Digits to find mathematical constants and patterns. We focused on the discovery of Kaprekar's constant, which paired well with our place value understanding and 4-digit addition and subtraction.
Kaprekar's constant is a unique number in mathematics. Discovered by Indian mathematician Dr. Kaprekar, this constant emerges from a fascinating iterative process. To explain, take any 4-digit number, rearrange its digits in descending and ascending order, and subtract the smaller number from the larger one. Repeating this process invariably leads to 6,174.
The ones in our feet, we do the ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is tricky. 5, got to combine them. 6, 7, 8, and 9. Our 10s are in our arms. So nice and simple. We go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? If we do 50 plus 10, we have 60, 70, 80, 90. Good. And then hundreds are in our fingertips. So we're going to do like this. 1, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, and 900. Now the fun part is the thousands. Hard, but fun, okay? Watch what we do with the thousands. Thousands go 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. What does 6174 look like in Dancing Digits? We have 6,000, 100, 70, and 4. You got it? Okay, we're going to take this to the park. Dancing Digits works like a dial gauge. The ones, represented by my legs and feet, the 10s by my arms, the 100s are on my fingers, and the thousands on my face and head. Because you do not need to keep track of previous numbers or calculations, only focusing what is on your current dial, you can quickly add or subtract. The concept of borrowing or carrying happens very organically since you simply run out of space on your body dial. Students who learn to perform calculations quickly often find the most efficient ways of carrying or borrowing, eliminating steps. All right, welcome to Dance Equations. Today on Dance Equations, I'm going to show you a little bit of my codified dance. I call this Dancing Digits. Basically, I'm turning the body into a calculator so I can do basic arithmetics. I have my daughter, Arya, behind the camera with me today. She's going to call out some 2-digit numbers at random, and I'm going to calculate them very quickly with my body. Here we go.
12, 20, 60, 10, 4, 9, 120. What do you have?
I have 235. Correct. In my classes, we explored Kaprekar's constant through a hands-on activity. I asked my students to find the constant by repeatedly subtracting the ascending and descending numbers. Using Dancing Digits, we turned this exercise into a race against students using a calculator and the students completing the calculations manually on the whiteboard. In many cases, Dancing Digits was faster than the calculator. Each group of 4 students begins by rolling the 10-sided die. Roll 4 times they had their first 4-digit number and would begin to find the constant. Research shows that kinesthetic learning can both boost focus, memory, and cognitive flexibility. By integrating movement, students retain the information better and enjoy the learning process. I follow Rosenstein's principles, and this is part of the varied diet I provide as a teacher. They learn to appreciate the beauty of mathematics and understand its concepts deeply. Dancing Digits makes math accessible and enjoyable in my grade 2 classroom.